So a few weeks ago I came across this website here, and basically I discovered with a little bit of digging and reverse engineering that they were ranking for like 790 keywords or something like that. It was a crazy number, with mass page building. Basically it was just mass page building, and he's got like 1600 keywords in here that he's using to create pages with all of the same content, which gave me the idea for updating the Google Sites poster. The problem he's got is that his rankings have started to tank. Okay, they've started to tank quite badly, and I've just checked this one, for example. He's not even ranking in top 100 anymore for this. So he's got a bit of a problem where he's had traffic, he's losing traffic. I don't even know if he knew he had traffic, because if he did, he would have done a little bit more as far as the call to actions and stuff on his page. You can see he's got a link here, and he's got a link here, but there's nothing there. I mean, this is a WordPress site. You could have like a full page overlay, you could have slide-ins, you could have all different kinds of stuff. A lot of content here, and it's the same content in every page for 1600 pages. Now that's one way that we can use the Google Sites poster as well, but I don't think that's the best way. So I want to show you something that's been on my mind about the best way to do this. So let's just start with a broad niche, a competitive niche. Let's try. There was one software I was looking at this morning. It was cryptocurrency. It was a crypto mentor course, I think it was, on JVZoo. So let's start with crypto. Maybe we can get some sales for that guy just by putting a link, and we can also put links to other places as well, such as I think it's Crypto Suite by Luke McGuire. He had done Crypto Suite. There's $1 trial on that one. So there's a couple of options that we can use if we can find some reasonable crypto kind of keywords. Now don't forget the Sony artwork guy. He was ranking for even competitive keywords. I don't know how he did it. I don't know if it was something with the backlinking, but I know that his rankings are tanking now. They're actually dropping now. So Google Sites should be easier to backlink, and it should as well give us the opportunity to find some good affiliate promotions that we can put in there. Okay, so what we'll do here, we've looked in the Keyword Explorer, we've put in the keyword crypto. You can see it's pulled back a whole bunch of different keywords and stuff like that. What we want to do is go into the phrase match, and straight away we want to go into the keyword difficulty. We're going to make the keyword difficulty maximum of 10. Okay, and we can go into the volume, and with the volume I want to make the volume something. Let's try 10,000. We can always bring it down, we can always move it up. So minimum volume 10,000. And there we go. We've got a keyword here. We've got one keyword. Keyword arbitrage. Keyword difficulty 5. Volume 16,000. Okay, so that was kind of lucky. Let's try a little bit less. Just try 5,000 for example. See if there's anything else will pop up. Apex Legends Crypto. I've got no idea what that is. Okay, crypto arbitrage. That is actually good for Crypto Suite. Crypto Suite is the tool from Luke McGuire. Crypto arbitrage. Let's dig into this one. Crypto arbitrage. We'll go into the phrase match. See what's here. We can look at the volumes in here as well. I don't know what kind of volume we're looking at, but 16,000 crypto arbitrage VIP 1.4. I don't know if this is the name of a product. Could well be, but there's a lot of traffic there, right? Crypto arbitrage calculator. You can see the parent topics. Reddit. See what having the same terms, what comes up. Yeah, so this is actually good for us. We've got 368 keywords. We can dig into that. If I made 368 posts with the keyword difficulty, I think is still there. No, it's already gone. It's just easy to rank for these. Interesting. Okay, so if we created 368 posts, here's what we can do: is we can make content that's going to have like multiple call to actions across the content, okay, at the top, the bottom, the middle, sort of thing like that. And what we can do is we can monitor and see what's ranking. Now, if you find something that's ranking, it's got a high traffic, for example, this one, crypto arbitrage, it might be worth just getting some content created for us. Using Surfer SEO, we can actually pay someone about $15 and get like 2,000 word article written. All about crypto arbitrage, and it'll be really optimized for that. And then you can put that into a WordPress site, and you can put some proper call to actions there, where you got the full page splash screen, you got some slide in stuff, you got countdown timers, all that kind of stuff that you can do that you otherwise cannot do. So these are perfect for that, just to identify those keywords, because here's what we can do, is we can take these keywords, okay, and we can use those keywords in one piece of content if we want to, when you're putting it into WordPress. Now, it's better and easier to do that if you know which ones are ranking very easily without needing any backlinks. So that's what we can do, and find out better how to use this. Okay, now another thing you can do with the Google sites as well is you can actually put in Google Analytics as well, so that will give you a lot more details as well, and it's kind of important. I think we need to do that for these kind of campaigns. Okay, so here we go. We got very, very lucky. I just got lucky with this. I've got like 368 keywords. It took me less than 5 minutes. That's the beauty of Ahrefs. It's just a powerful tool to be able to find this. But I do admit I got very, very lucky there. But I'm sure there's other people have seen this before, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that's seen this before. So it's probably more competitive than what it's mentioned in here. But we can have a go with it and see how we go on, and just run a case study with it and see how we go on. It's as simple as that. I need to dig into this and find out what it is though. Crypto arbitrage. So what I'll do is I'm going to save that, export it, and I'll basically use those keywords for my content, okay, or for my posting into Google sites. As simple as that. Thanks for watching.